And remember this, if you're talking to neighbors, networking with agents, sharing online, saying stuff online, posting on social media channels, if you're emailing contacts or on the phone with clients, whatever you're doing, just show your passion for inspecting homes and add value to the conversation. Show your passion for inspecting homes. That's why you're a home inspector, because there's something about inspecting a home that's so interesting. It's a lot of fun. And add value to the conversation. Help people out with stuff. Educate them. Tell people how their home works, how to maintain their home, how to save home energy. So whenever you're talking, remember this, show your passion for inspecting homes and add value to the conversation. And that, my friends, has been a 2-hour webinar. I really appreciate you attending the webinar. If you're watching it, why don't you join the next live webinar? And that's at natchez.org/webinar. My name is Ben Gromicko. I'm from INTERNACHI. That's the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. My email address is ben@internachi.org. That was a lot of fun. I appreciate it very much. And if you ever need anything, we're all on the contact page. Feel free to reach out to any one of us at INTERNACHI. We're here to help you. Stay safe and healthy, everybody. I really appreciate it. Bye now.